Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Homeopathy World. I am Dr. Samina, and first of all I would like to thank you for making us achieve this amazing milestone of 3000 subscribers. Thank you all you beautiful people out there for subscribing to our channel and for sharing our videos. Today's video is about how to register your clinic on Google My Business for free. Now the first and most important question is Google My Business free? So yes, Google My Business is a free and easy to use tool for businesses and organizations, and here in this video we are going to use it for our clinics to manage our online presence across Google. Yes, Google search as well as Google Maps. So you might be thinking कि लोग Google पे कैसे आते हैं, या जब मैं किसी को सर्च करता हूँ तो उनका नाम Google पे आ कैसे जाता है. तो this is how it is done. You have to register yourself on Google My Business, and then you can show your online presence to everybody who searches your particular clinic. Okay, through this you can help your patients find your clinic and verify your clinic and edit your clinic information. So in this video I'm going to explain how you can do it all by yourself without hiring any expert or any consultant. There is no need of hiring anybody. You can just do this in half an hour. So do this by yourself and bring upon your online presence. The next question that you might have is, how do I access Google My Business? So all you have to do is log into your computer, and you can also do it with your mobile phones, but presently in this video I'm going to show it on my laptop. So if you have a computer, you have to log in, and this is a similar process on the mobile phones, just a smaller screen, and everything else is just the same. So what Google My Business does is it ensures that whenever somebody is going to search for your clinic, is going to appear on Google along with the Google map in the Google search. Okay, so it is easy for them to find you and your business. So the best thing I like about Google My Business is that it is absolutely free. So anybody can use it and it is free for all. So without further ado, let's get into the video. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because we also have to go to our 4000 subscriber mark. And don't forget to click the bell icon and also share our videos with your friends and colleagues if you like them. So now what you're going to see is my Google Chrome screen. Okay, it is running in the incognito mode so that you're not influenced by the location and you just get the idea of what I am actually talking about. Okay, so let's get started. So here in the search bar, I'm going to type Google My Business. And the first link that I'm going to get, I'm just going to click on that. Now, before getting started, we have to understand what is Google My Business and why we as a doctor need it. We all refer to Google search, you all know that, more than 100 times per day, and even more so to search or find items, locations or services near us. Like suppose if I want to go to a grocery store and I search grocery store near me, so I get to the grocery store. Or I want a pet shop or parlor, and also people are searching for doctors like dentists, pediatrician, gynecologist, dermatologist, oncologist or homeopaths. So let's get an example what generally happens when you Google search. Google automatically detects your location from your Android device. Now because of that, I haven't started it on the Android device, or I am doing it on my laptop, because I don't want you to get influenced by my location, because this is a general thing that I'm going to teach. So basically your location is active on your cell phones, on your Android devices, and as well as on your laptops. So whenever you're going to search anything near you, anything, suppose you're searching a parlor near me or a pet shop near me, it will give you the location that is around you. Google automatically detects your location from your Android device, and then it will suggest the places that are already near you. In this section here, only if your location is turned off, it will either prompt you to the set of location, or it will randomly prompt you services which are popular. So suppose if I type homeopath in Pune. Okay. So now I have specified the location Pune. Since it's not going to detect my location here, I have specified Pune. So you can see it is giving me this first suggestion, that is Life Force Homeopathy Clinic in Powd Road, Pune. And second is Dr. Geeta's Homeopathy Health Restoration Center. It is also Pune. And Swami Prasad Homeopathic Clinic and Homeopathy Doctor in Pune. So if you open these maps over here, you will see that these are far places. Like, these are not near to each other. Okay. So these are far away places. These are not located near each other. But now suppose if I want to see the location of Life Force Powd Road, Pune, now if I click on this particular link, it is going to show me the address, the hours. It closes at 8 p.m. It is in Kothurud, Pune, and health, safety, and all these things. These are the services that they offer. Okay, and this is a phone number, and appointments is askdrshaha.com. and here you can see treatments, products. Okay, what are the treatments? So you can see all the treatments that they do, and here you can see the timings, the various timings, and then here you can see some pictures about them and their clinic, and then here you can see the review summary. Okay, so here there are reviews of many people who have been there and who have an experience of this clinic, have reviewed this particular clinic. Okay, now this is the first page that opens up, and then if you want to close this, here is a map of this Life Force, and along with it, it's going to show me all the nearby homeopathic clinics. Okay, so Ray Homeopathy, and there are Rayon Homeopathic Clinic and Dr. Sharda Homeopathic Clinic. So basically you've got an idea of what happens when you click on that link. So suppose I go back to this particular link, and then here it is website. If I click on website, it will directly take me to the website of that particular doctor. So now can you see Dr. Shah, Ask Dr. Shah? That is this website, lifeforce.in, and there are many things on this website. So I'm not promoting any doctor right now. I'm just showing you an example of what happens. Now suppose if instead of searching homeopath in Pune, I search homeopath in Hadapsar, Pune. Okay, so can you see when I scroll down, the results have automatically changed. The first result, that time it was showing Life Force, but right now it is showing Homeocare Clinic. Okay, if I click on this, you can see the address of this clinic. There are 222 Google reviews. That means it's awesome. And hours, it closes at 9:30, and health and safety measures if they have taken, and phone number and appointments, how you have to take the appointments, and products and services and whatever treatment plans they have, as well as questions that are answered, and time, and the photos of the doctor as well as clinic and their treatment, and the review summary along with the in detail reviews. Okay, similarly I'm going to close this down so that we can see the map over here, and you can see there's so many homeopathic clinics in this particular area. Okay, going back, we are going to visit the website of this particular doctor, and here you can see it's homeocareclinic.in, and this is the website of this particular doctor. Okay, so I hope you have understood in detail and why we are going to register our clinic on Google My Business. That is because we have to bring about this kind of online presence. So when people search homeopath in that particular area where you reside, where your clinic is, then your clinic name should pop up in this particular list over here. Okay, so here I have already searched Google My Business, and I'm going to go to the first link over here. That will take you to this page. Okay, Here you can see manage now. Click on manage now. Now since I have my own Google My Business page, so I'm not going to register it again. So I'm just going to fake record it for your understanding. So you can do the same procedure and register your own clinics. So here you have to type the name of your clinic. So mine, I'm going to type, let me keep it homeopathic clinic. Okay, create profile. Now you have to create profile. Start building your business profile. This will help you get discovered by customers on Google search and map. So what is your business category? Just search homeopath. Yes, here you can see homeopath. So business category will be homeopath. If you're a dentist and you're watching this video, or if you're any other doctor, you can just put on your business category. Right now I'm going to put mine because I'm a homeopath. So your business category will be in this place, and you will click on next. Do you want to add a location customers can visit, like a store or office? Now you can do the same thing even if you have your clinical setup attached to your house and as well as a commercial setup. So the same process will apply to both. So you just have to say that you want to alert the patients of your location. So this location will show up on Google Maps and search when customers are looking for your business. So I'm going to click on yes. Now it will ask you the address. So obviously it's India. So I'm going to street address. I'm going to put something like, okay, remember that I'm doing this just for an example's sake. It's not true. Don't do this. It's not logical to do a fake my business profile, but I'm just doing this to show you how it is done. So if once you enter all your details, it will ask you if any of these are your businesses. So it looks like your business might already be on the business profile on Google search or maps. If you see your business below, select it and we will help you improve your business profile. So you have to do none of these and click on next. So it will ask me what is the exact spot where your business is located. See, here it is written, drag and zoom the map and position the marker on the exact spot where your business is located. So suppose my business is located. It's not located anywhere over here. I'm just going to drag it somewhere and drop it. So drag wherever your business is, whichever shop it is, you just zoom the map like this. Okay, you can zoom it. See? You can zoom it like this and you can drag the profiler and drop it. This marker you have to drag and drop it. Okay. And I'm going to click on next. So here it is given, do you also serve customers outside this location? For example, if you're a visiting doctor, if you like to consult outside your clinic, or you're going for online consultations, or you're visiting in any other hospitals, you can click on yes, I also serve them outside my location, or else because I don't, so I'm going to click on no, I don't, and click on next. Next, here you have to enter your phone number, your whatever contact details. So here you have to enter your phone number or your contact details. And if you have a website, you have to enter your URL. If you don't have any of these, you just have to click on skip. Or you can enter your phone number and click on next. Now, in order to fully manage and represent this business on Google, you'll need to confirm that it is yours. Select how you would like to get a verification code. So here is the key part of the whole process. So what Google does, Google will send you a postcard. Okay, postcard by mail, that is by actual mail. So it will come to your clinic or the address which you are going to enter. So you have to make sure that the address is very, very correct, and you will receive this postcard in which there will be a code or a password which you have to enter to then use this profile. Okay, if you don't enter the correct password, you cannot use this Google My Business profile. So this particular clinic that I have registered, here I have to enter the code if I get it through the mail. This is to ensure that the address is correct and there are genuine people who are going to register it. So here, have a postcard with your code mailed to this address. This may take up to 12 days to arrive. So mine arrived within 15 days, that I remember. So you can just type the contact name again. Here you can type your own name and then click mail. Okay, so the postcard is on its way. You will get a postcard with a verification code in next 12 days. Then click on continue. Okay, now let the customers know when your business is open. So Sunday is closed, so I'm going to click open on all the other days. And then here you can see opens at and closes at. So Monday opens at suppose 9 a.m. and closes at 8 p.m. Okay, if at all you have a lunch break, or if you have a break for 2 to 3 hours in between, so you can just add hours. Here you can edit that 9 a.m. to, you can do 2 p.m. and then here you can do 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. like that. Okay, so you can add hours and you can do the same thing for all these. I'm not going to do it, so I'm just going to write click 24 hours, but you can do the same process for all these. Then you can click on next. Now here, do you want the messaging service from Google? If you want, you can accept messages, or you can just switch it off, or you can even skip. If you want to decide later, you can just skip. So I'm going to skip. Add business description. You have to write the description about your clinic in this particular place, and then you can click on next. Add photos. So if you want to add photos, you have to drag and drop the photos of your clinic, not anybody else's clinic, your own clinic photos. Okay, you have to drag and drop your patient testimonials, if before after pics or anything like that. If your clinic exterior, clinic interior, the reception area, the dispensing area, the pharmacy, you can click all the pictures and upload it over here. Add photos. So since I don't have any photos over here, I'm just going to, now your business profile is almost ready. You can continue making updates and edit to your profile at any time. Your edits will be visible to customers on Google after you have been verified. Now I'll be clicking on continue. Okay, and here you can see my profile is activated and I am 50% done. So once I get the verification code and I enter it, I can do all the other editing details. Now there are many minute details to this, that this is my home page. Here I can do some editings. Here these are posts which I have to post, like special offers or any dates that I'm going to give a special discount, or any redeem codes, I can post it over here. Any other info about my clinic, I can post it on this particular page. So any additional services, any additional products, or any other website that I have, or any attributes, okay, health and safety measures that we are going to take, and add business description, add opening date, so when I opened my clinic, or I can add other photos, or advanced information like store code, or enter labels. Like these are for basically for malls and bigger brands, so you can enter the labels of which particular company you are going to keep the medicines or anything like that. Google ad location extension, that is phone number and other details. Your insight will give you the analytics of how many people have searched for you in this particular month, and how many have located you, how many have seen you on the map, and etc. Here you can see the reviews of your patients. So whoever comes to you can review you, and the review can be seen to other patients as well. Here the patients can do a private message to you where you can reply. Here you can upload photos before and after, as I told you, that kind of photos. Okay, your products and services. So if you have medicines, if you have tinctures, if you have any other products, you can list it over here. If you're keeping biochemics or if you have patents, you can list it over here. Services, suppose you have a cosmetic attachment, or if you have an extension of your clinic, whether it's cosmetic, whether it's physiotherapy, you can add that service over here. Okay, then you can add your website over here. If not, you can, Google My Business also helps you to create your own website. That I will explain it in another video because this is becoming very lengthier. So in Google My Business itself, you can add your own website, which is free. Again, it is easy to use and there are only themes about it, so you don't have to do much. Then after website, there are users. Suppose if you are a co-user or you have a co-owner for your clinic, so you can add 2 users at the same time. Okay, so this was all about a superficial idea of how Google My Business works. And as I've already told you, it is a free platform for digitally presenting your clinic or marketing it here right in this particular box. When we saw this, in this particular box, you can market your clinic, and that too for free. And the most important feature about it is that it is easy to use, and you don't need to be an expert on this. You can just use it. You can watch this video and do as I said, and then you are ready to go. The listing that we do here is seen in 3 places. So it is seen in Google's sidebar, that is this thing, and then it is seen in Google search results, like this thing. Okay, and then it is seen in Google Maps. Millions of people's brands and businesses are using Google My Business for attracting customers and building online platform to engage with potential buyers. But they are not clinicians. We can also promote our clinics to gain online presence and to promote ourselves on this digital platform and to increase visibility that more and more people will know you. Raise awareness about your pathy, your services, and also to see that the potential patients can contact you directly from Google listings by calling you or messaging you. 90% of the patients read online reviews before consultation. That is my personal experience. And online reviews give a positive impact to the inflow of your patients. So overall, I would say Google My Business offers faster and cheaper way to get targeted exposure on the biggest search engine, that is Google. It also has a My Business app which you can use on your Android phones, which makes it even more convenient to use and to operate or edit information. So if you have understood all these things what I have said, you can go and do it right now. And if you haven't understood what I said, there is a ready-made package for you down in the description below. You have to pay an affordable price to get a package, and all these things will be done for you in a very, very affordable price. And your Google My Business page will be just ready to use, and there is no hassle in doing all these things. So that package details are given in the description below. Go to that package and let me know if you're interested. And thank you for watching. If you like our videos, please do share them, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching.